Okay, so right now I just turned on the car and the screen is unresponsive. Nothing, it booted up and it's showing the message, but now nothing, it doesn't register any clicks. And I can't control the climate either. Okay, so my radio doesn't work on the head unit. When I hit the button, it registers the click, but it doesn't make any noise. Also, when I hit this button, it doesn't do anything for the media either. When I reboot the unit, it will still basically restart and do this exact same thing. The phone and the apps button works, and the bottom buttons work. I just have no sound at all from the head unit. And I'm trying to see the and now it booted up, but the radio and the media controls don't seem to respond at all. And the climate change works. This is it's not registering, it doesn't do anything. Okay, now I'm going to turn it back off.